Here's how to program your Ford vehicle with your garage door opener using the visor controls here. This is a 2019 Ford F-150. So what we're gonna do is hold on the button we wanna program. You can see it starts flashing. Then we're just gonna hold our garage door opener. You can see my garage is opening. And then this starts blinking fast. While it's blinking fast, hold this for 1 second, 2 seconds, and then let go. Okay, and now when I click on this, you can see that it controls my garage. So it's just that easy. You literally hold the button you want to program until it flashes fast. So if I wanted this one, until it flashes slowly, sorry. And then you hold your actual garage door opener until it flashes fast. There you go. And then you save it by holding for 1, 2, maybe 3 seconds, let go. And now this button is also programmed. So I just programmed both of them. If you need to clear yours, if you bought a used vehicle, hold the outer 2 buttons for about 15 seconds. You'll see it flash really, really quickly. That means it's clearing all the codes, and then just follow the process from the beginning of this video.